Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Bitcoin wallet on Coinbase. First of all, you need to be logged into your Coinbase and you need to be on your home page. Once you are here, you can then go to send slash and receive, and then once this box opens here, go to receive, and it's going to tell you need to choose the right cryptocurrency if you want to send funds. So if you want to send Bitcoin, you need to choose the Bitcoin wallet and so on. So click I understand here. You can then go ahead and turn on instant transfers. So if you want to transfer from Coinbase to Coinbase, you can do that. So I'm just going to turn that on. So now we've got our wallet address. Now we can change our coin here. So we can change the Bitcoin and all of the other coins, but here is your Bitcoin address. If you see the Bitcoin logo, you can go ahead and copy this address here like that, and this address will then be copied to your clipboard, and that's how you find your Bitcoin address on Coinbase. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.